Hey guys, welcome back to Tech 702. Today I have the Sony ZV-1 camera. So it's the brand new point and shoot from Sony with an emphasis on vlogging and creators. So I'm going to go ahead and go through everything with you. Also, I have a special guest, my buddy Drew Lips, to stop by and do a little input, and stick around. Let's see what we got. So the Sony ZV-1, let's give it a look over, shall we? It's nice and small, definitely easily fits in a pocket. It's smaller than my iPhone 11 Pro Max. You can see here it sits in the hand pretty easily. And it has a grip nub on the back and the front, so you can do it one-handed without dropping the thing. On the side jacks here, we have microphone, you have the micro USB, and you have the HDMI out for streaming whenever that happens. Nice LCD screen, thumb wheel, function buttons, menu, play, and trash. It's pretty obvious. Got our camera mount on the bottom, and then that's also switch plate for the SD card and the battery itself. Keep looking around here, and my favorite part is the way that this thing slides out, and you can turn it so you can see yourself whether you're in front or the back of the camera. Comes in super handy for vlogging, or if you don't have somebody to hold the camera for you. So you can see there, you flip it around. Now I won't go on a tangent about this, but really, we couldn't do USB-C. I know it's a small device, but man, this is gonna get annoying. Also, these things tend to wear out quicker. So let's look at the lens here. It's a 24 by 70 millimeter, f1.8 by 2.8, 20.1 megapixel sensor itself, and obviously extends there. I've seen some kits that you can convert with screw-on adapters to do telephoto and wide angles, fisheyes, some weird stuff, but that requires modification. That's not the true purpose of this. If we go here, you can check out the LCD screen, some of the information that's readily available. It shows you which mode you're in, which version of focus that you're in. It has a beauty mode that's worse than some of the worst cell phones I've seen. So we tend to keep that off. Gives you all your relevant photo information on the bottom line, and then your custom commands down there in the bottom right hand corner. So here's some of the menus that we have. These are scene selections rather. So you can put it into a scene selection and let it do its magic. It has lots of modes to choose from, everything from night mode to outside to bright lights to doing stuff just straight up manually if you're so inclined. So here's a quick little video montage of all of the sub menus. I will not bore you by going through all 60 something of them, but suffice to say, pretty much every setting that you'd want to select. It shoots 30 frames at 4K, it can shoot slow motion, you can do different outputs, and you can connect through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth also. One thing that bothered me is the battery. The indicator would jump around and not be accurate. So before I go any further, I'm gonna let my friend Drew Lips, who's been kind enough to join me on the video, give his thoughts on the Sony ZV-1.
Hey, Drew Lips here, joining you on Tech 702's review of the Sony ZV-1. Now, in regards to the Sony ZV-1, this is an incredible camera. I've been using this camera for a while now, and I absolutely love it. It's incredibly smooth. The performance, everything you're gonna get out of it is excellent right out of the box. Not only that, if you're looking to vlog or you're looking to do product reviews especially, the level of detail and focus is just unmatched from what I've seen for a lot of cameras in this price point. I would highly recommend this camera to anyone who's starting out on YouTube and looking to make the jump from filming on their phones to a camera. I can't recommend this enough. It's a great camera all around. And also, if you're gonna pick this up, why not pick up the Vlogger kit? Because the Vlogger kit comes with everything you're gonna need in order to shoot with this camera. It comes with your SD card and a tripod that I'm using right now as I'm filming this video. Now, the only thing I probably would say that I don't like about the camera is probably the battery life. The battery life is kind of so-so, but to kind of mitigate that, I would highly recommend going on Amazon. They have extra batteries that you can get for like 20 bucks. It's a pack of 3, and then also it comes with this really nice charging stand, which is USB Type-C or micro USB, which is incredible. I cannot recommend this camera setup enough. Thank you again to Tech 702 for letting me collab, and definitely check out his videos for more great content. Thank you again. Take care, stay safe.
So let's get into some of the video testing. It has a very good autofocus. Now, if you find something small enough, I found the weakness, Piccolo Pete or a pen. If you hit it the wrong angle, it won't grab it. But I mean, you could see it's pretty dang fast. Just occasionally it will miss if the object is small enough, something to keep in mind. Regular outdoor video. And then I'm gonna switch it for the deblur feature. Any difference? Deblur is on, and now deblur is off. Let me know. Okay, so some photos here. It does a pretty good job. I did compare it to my iPhone 11, and I will have to say most of the still photos are very comparable to a very high-end cell phone. The colors are good, it's everything, nothing bad, but if you're expecting something really great still-wise, probably just stick with your cell phone. So ZV-1, what do I think? Ultimately, it's a great point and shoot. It's a great all-around package. If you're a vlogger, a tech head, or somebody who just needs a multi-use camera, it's probably the best thing going on the market. For the price, you could do something like an M50 with a lens, stuff of that nature, but the technical level goes up as far as what's required from you, as well as the fact that you're gonna have to lug around a bunch of stuff. So if you have a premium smartphone, you have a brand new iPhone Pro, you have a Note 10 Plus, you have something on the higher end, and all you wanna do is film or take pictures, I'm not necessarily sure that you need the ZV-1. However, if you're a new YouTuber, you wanna get into vlogging and live streaming, stuff of that nature, then I say go ahead and give it a shot, because as far as taking something out of your pocket that's not your phone and being able to keep your phone indisposed for that purpose, it does a great job. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments. You're gonna get one, you're gonna check one out. Is there a better option that I don't know about? Go ahead and throw me a like and a subscribe if this was a helpful video to you. Everybody stay safe out there. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you next time. I'm out of here.